Hi, I want to show how Display Manager can be set to show things like health bars, like this one, dual health bar for instance. Just copy that, duplicate that, call it player. How you can set these onto a static canvas. I not attached to display objects that are moving throughout the scene. I've just added like literally just add a canvas, any canvas, screen space overlay. Then you could take this, it has a UI widget attached. That's going to tell you, it gives you an easy reference. It's still worth using in this instance because it gives you an easy reference to all the things on it. So you can reference these in script purely by just having the UI widget reference. So okay, let's get back to the screen, dual player, and just add one here. Is that right? Bang in the middle of this. There it is. Okay, so that's all set to 0. We're the wrong side of it. So, you know, for like the player's health bar, we can use this. Oh no, we were the right side of it. Whoops. Let's get back round. Okay, so maybe we'd have it top left. You can see it like this. And then, you know, we can add the it's called pop-up test or something. So let's unpack this prefab. So it's got the widget which it will use to find the value bar. 5 and 0 is the only value bar. Oh no, there's 2 because it's 2. So this one's referencing the top bar. So this is just going to throw some random numbers at it to simulate a player's value bar changing. Can you see it's like, say you had his value bar set there. They're just really easy for referencing everything in scripts. If you wanted to change, say that was his level or something, and his name, you got a nice easy reference here in script to change the player name, text 0, or just set text, element 0. You could do these with target initializer. Might not work actually. You need a widget initializer to do these directly. But you know, it's there with the health bar. It's as simple as that, really. That's the kind of thing. Obviously, you could have a second pop-up test script. Again, reference the widget. Set this one value bar 1. Make it change a bit more, maybe. Make this change quite frequently by smaller amounts. Is that going to look the same? Let's have a look. So now both these bars are changing, so it's as though you had a slightly different setup. That one was full. Yeah, there you can see it. That's how you can create the classic value bar. Obviously, they don't have to be these stupid stripy kind of color things. You could set these to whatever you want. They're just based on the image. Doesn't have to be a square. It could be square diamond. Color can be different. You know, you can change these as much as you want, and you can do it in code as well because you have the UI widget to the element 0 image and the texts but the design considerations are along the lines of the background panels. Progress bar is green, that kind of thing. Let's have a look. So we've got the bar adjust is progress bar. The bar is progress bar holes. So just make that progress bar, not progress bar holes. So there's not the silly pattern on it. And the same with stripes. If you don't like this kind of these are with Eris examples just to show you can actually add whatever you want. You got these drawings, just draw something in paint. That's just like a strip like that. You can draw whatever you want on your value bars. Save that and import it here. Add it to whatever value bar setup. You could have 3 value bars if you want. Just duplicate these, put another one on it. Let's just make them like maybe different colors. Was this one white? It could be like a yellow bar, and this bar could stay purple. Let's see how that looks now. Starts at 100, goes down. The the background color, you still got the holes in the background. I mean, all of that stuff you can just change the design. The trail bar, you can change those to anything you like. Give them a different name. You can do this from text. I might create an easier way to do this actually, because it is the target initializer needs a target. So I'll probably add one that lets you set start values for these, but really it's the kind of stuff you would be wanting to change in script, because it's like your character's name. So a bit of text behind there. Is there some text going on? Still says new text on there. So text name, on text. If that's in all the bars throughout the thing, but yeah, it's that simple. And then you've got that nice kind of player's character bar in the top left with a neat little UI widget kind of reference that you can use scripts to access. And there's nothing special going on in these. It's just got reference to stuff. It's creating a random number. And it's got the value bar reference from the widget. That's it. Okay, so if you're a designer, you can make much nicer looking value bars just by changing these bars to whatever graphic you want. You've got a bar adjust, which is the trail, the main bar, and a background as well. So you can see the background there change color on the top one. The background on this one has holes. Just put a different progress bar in. Make it more solid. Change the color, whatever. So, you can make whatever you want out of these bars, put names in, change the character level by script, anything. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.